Hey, fantastic viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of sweet potatoes, a nutritional powerhouse that's both delicious and versatile. Join us as we uncover the secrets of sweet potatoes, explore their incredible benefits, discuss when caution is necessary, and learn how to make the most of their potential. So, sit tight and get ready for a tuber-filled journey of discovery. Boniato, also known as sweet potato, is a versatile and highly nutritious tuber that has been consumed by various cultures for centuries. Native to Central and South America, sweet potato is prized for its numerous health benefits due to its richness in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Next, I will tell you the most outstanding benefits of sweet potato. High nutrient content. Sweet potato is an excellent source of essential nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. It also contains calcium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin E in significant amounts. Helps in weight loss. Despite its sweet taste, sweet potato is relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which helps maintain satiety and control appetite. In addition, its moderate glycemic index prevents blood sugar spikes that can lead to overeating. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Despite having a sweet taste, sweet potato has a moderate glycemic index, which means that it does not cause sudden increases in blood sugar. Its fiber also helps regulate the glycemic response and maintain stable glucose levels in the bloodstream. Suitable for people with gluten intolerance. Sweet potato is naturally gluten-free, making it a great choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Reduces stress. Sweet potato is a source of magnesium, a mineral that plays an important role in muscle relaxation and stress reduction. It also contains tryptophan, an amino acid precursor to serotonin, which can have positive effects on mood. Improves hair health. The vitamin A and beta-carotene in sweet potato are essential for maintaining healthy hair, promoting growth, and preventing dryness and damage. Rich in antioxidants, sweet potatoes contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which give them their characteristic orange color. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress in the body, thereby protecting cells and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Helps vision. Sweet potato is an excellent source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which is essential for eye health. The body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, necessary for the proper functioning of the retina and vision in low-light conditions. Promotes cardiovascular health. The high concentration of potassium in sweet potatoes contributes to maintaining healthy blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition, its fiber content helps control cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Provides sustained energy. The complex carbohydrates present in sweet potatoes, such as starch, are gradually broken down in the body, resulting in a slow and sustained release of energy. This is especially helpful for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. Beneficial for digestion. The dietary fiber present in sweet potatoes promotes digestive health by promoting intestinal transit and preventing problems such as constipation. It can also help maintain a balance in the gut microbiota, contributing to better overall health. Immune system support. The vitamin C in sweet potato is essential for strengthening the immune system and protecting the body against infections and diseases. It acts as an antioxidant and helps stimulate the production of immune cells. Promotes bone health. Sweet potato contains essential minerals such as calcium and manganese, which are critical for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis and other bone diseases. Helps muscle function. Sweet potato is a good source of potassium, an essential mineral for proper muscle function. It contributes to muscle contraction, prevents cramps, and improves sports performance. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some components of sweet potato have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for people suffering from chronic inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis. Skin benefits. The antioxidants present in sweet potato, such as beta-carotene, can help improve skin health, protecting it from damage caused by free radicals and promoting a more radiant appearance. Improves brain function. Sweet potato contains vitamin B6, which is important for the development and functioning of the brain. It also contains minerals such as potassium, which can improve brain function and memory. Anti-cancer potential. Some studies have suggested that sweet potatoes' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds might have protective effects against certain cancers, although more research is needed in this area. To get the benefits of sweet potato, it's important to regularly include it in your diet and prepare it in healthy ways. Here are some suggestions for getting the nutritional benefits of sweet potato. Consume it in its natural form. Sweet potato is most nutritious when consumed in its natural form, whether boiled, baked, or steamed. These forms of cooking preserve most of their nutrients and antioxidants. Take advantage of its versatility. You can use sweet potato in a wide variety of recipes. Add it to stews, soups, salads, smoothies, or even puree it as a healthier alternative to potatoes. Avoid fried foods and excess fat. Although fried sweet potato is a delicacy, frying them adds unnecessary calories and fats. Opt for healthier cooking methods to fully enjoy its benefits. Combine with other nutrient sources. Combine sweet potato with other nutrient sources to create balanced meals. For example, you can add it to a salad with fresh vegetables, lean protein, and a healthy vinaigrette. Experiment with spices and seasonings. Try different spices and seasonings to enhance the flavor of the sweet potato without adding a lot of calories. Cinnamon, cumin, paprika, and nutmeg are just a few options to try. Prepare sweet potato puree. Sweet potato puree is a delicious and healthy option. You can mix it with some vegetable milk and spices for a smooth and tasty garnish. Combine with protein and healthy fats. Adding lean proteins like chicken, turkey, tofu, or beans, along with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, will help balance the meal and improve nutrient absorption. Sweet potato is a safe and beneficial food for most people when consumed as part of a balanced diet. However, there are some contraindications and considerations that you should be aware of. Allergies. As with any food, some people may be allergic to sweet potato. If you experience symptoms such as itching, bloating, rashes, shortness of breath, or gastrointestinal upset after consuming sweet potato, you should avoid it and seek medical attention if symptoms are severe. Diabetes. Although sweet potato has a moderate glycemic index, people with diabetes should consume it in moderation and control their blood glucose levels, as it can affect sugar levels due to its carbohydrate content. Kidney problems. Sweet potato is a source of potassium, and people with kidney problems or who need to follow a low potassium diet should consult their doctor before including it in their diet. Kidney stones. If you have a history of kidney stones, it is important to monitor the consumption of foods rich in oxalates, such as sweet potatoes, as they can contribute to stone formation in some people. Digestive problems. Some people may experience digestive discomfort such as gas or bloating after consuming sweet potatoes, especially if they are not used to eating fiber-rich foods. It is important to introduce it gradually into the diet and drink enough water to aid digestion. Overconsumption. Although sweet potato is nutritious, as with any food, excessive consumption can lead to nutritional imbalance or excess calories. It is important to maintain a balance and variety in the diet. And there you have it, a deep dive into the incredible universe of sweet potatoes, from their wholesome benefits to the precautions to keep in mind. Armed with this knowledge, you can now fully embrace the magic of sweet potatoes in your culinary and wellness pursuits. If you found this video enlightening and delightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please drop your questions and experiences in the comments section below. Before we say goodbye, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you're in the loop when we bring you more exciting insights on health, flavor, and all things delectable. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, just like the sweet potato's vibrant hue, your journey toward knowledge and wellness should be equally colorful. Stay nourished and stay curious.